If the rubber seal on your refrigerator is dirty and stained like this, and you don't know how to clean it anymore, never use those toothbrushes, as they will damage the rubber. And don't use dish sponges. Much less steel brushes or sponges, as they will damage the rubber, wear it out, and your refrigerator won't seal properly anymore. In this video, I'll show you an infallible trick that will make your refrigerator's rubber seal look brand new. It will remove all stains and dirt in less than a minute. For this, place 1 cup of room temperature water in a container. Now we'll use dish soap. I'm using coconut dish soap here, but you can use any kind you have at home. Add 3 tablespoons and mix well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. If you don't have baking soda at home, you can use salt, it works too. But if possible, use baking soda for it's much better. Finally, we'll use white vinegar. It must be white vinegar, other types won't work. Add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Notice that when I add the vinegar, a small reaction occurs, creating foam. But this is completely normal because of the baking soda. Look at this interesting foam, friends. Now just mix it very well. And see how powerful this mixture is. It will remove all the dirt from your refrigerator. Now, to make the application easier, transfer the entire mixture to a spray bottle using a funnel to avoid waste. Then just close the spray bottle, and we're ready to apply it. Here we are at the refrigerator, and now I'll teach you the master trick for cleaning the rubber seal. Spray the powerful mixture along the entire length of the rubber seal. Then let it sit for about a minute. Next, wipe off all the excess with a clean cloth. And look at this, my friends. See all that dirt coming off? Notice how easily the dirt comes off. It's so satisfying to see our refrigerator completely clean. You can do this at home without worry, and you'll love the result. Look at how it turned out. What was once a stained refrigerator now looks brand new, just like from the store. So that's it, folks. Try this at home, and you won't regret it. Take care, and see you in the next video.